Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
You joined early?
No.
Then
I-
nobody is there.
10. It's vacation time, na? So kids are not in a mood, right? I know. Good morning, Amara. First,
Good
you tell
morning,
me-
ma'am.
yeah, yesterday I couldn't question you. You tell me where were you in ICT class? I asked you, no? Your guest was there. That's what you told me, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And you also joined science classes. Also, you joined late, right? Amara, please be on time. But otherwise, what happened? You'll keep missing the instruction, and whatever activities going on, you won't understand.
Okay, ma'am. I'll see the
Yes, you'll
video.
and you'll then keep asking, and I'm in an activity, then even I couldn't reply you. Then you have to sit like that, and you won't be able to enjoy. Okay, Amara?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. And Amara, did you submit your maths assignment?
Which math
The one which
assignment?
I have told you to, submit it again.
Yeah. I cannot find the papers I told you.
Okay, in vacation, please do
Yes.
find it. Okay?
My guest came. I didn't get to write
Okay.
also. That is
Now
why.
you have holidays, na? So just search it out and do it. Okay? Good morning,
Okay, ma'am.
Musfira Sayed, Musfira Rizwani, Amir, Ali. Chalo, turn on your camera fast. Fast, turn on your camera.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Musfira. Okay, I'm sharing first. Let me pause the recording. I'm sharing a video first. See, like you can hear the sound or not. Okay. Okay.
Are we supposed to see the video?
Means I'm going to show you. I was just checking now. I was just checking. Now I'll show you that again. Okay.
Yeah, that everybody comes then. Na?
Yes. Right now I was checking, Musfira, whether the sound is audible to you or not, to you people. You people keep complaining, ma'am, we cannot hear anything. So that share sound button was not clicked. That's why. Today I did it. So it was audible to you all. The video sound. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Last time, what did we do? Yeah, listen, one more thing. I want to give you one instruction. Or when after the vacations, when you'll be back, when you'll have arts class, art and craft, Aparna ma'am takes, right? So probably, yes, in one class, I will be also there. And what are we going to do? We are going to form what? Art and craft. We are going to form multiplication table, art and craft material. Okay, and you would love it. Ma'am will teach you for one table, like two table, threes and fours. You have to make it for each table. Are you understanding?
I'm very excited to do this.
Yes. Even I'm very excited, but that will be done after vacations. And Aparna ma'am will help you. I will help you with the tables part. Aparna ma'am will help you with the arts and craft, that cutting and all that part. Okay? We'll help you that. We will collaborate and you'll love it. You will love it, trust me. Okay. How many of you?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, Aparna ma'am will tell us what we need.
Yes, she will. Everything. Don't worry. We will give you each and every instruction. Don't worry about anything.
Ma'am.
You have to get the materials, everything which she will mention, and I'll be also there. We will help you. But I guess one or two, Aparna ma'am and we will try to make out in the one session. Rest other tables, this thing you have to make it by yourself. Okay? So you have to learn it properly how it is made, because I want you to keep it as a memory even when you're grown up, so you could remember this. I have done in my second grade. I had made it the tables.
Third grade.
Yes, so you could remember that, just like a sort of memory for you. Otherwise, everyone learns table, but when a memory associated with some physical thing, so that have a different impact, right? That have a different this thing effect. Okay. Yeah. Now, where is Zainab? I think everyone is taking vacation from today onwards. But I'm going to teach you because I cannot miss it. I have to go on. I'm starting with the class. Last time we did with twos table. Musfira Rizwani will say me the twos table. So today I'll do threes, fours, and fives. I'll complete this. Okay, till five. Today I'll do only till five. Yeah.
Then after her, can I say two?
Yeah. First, I want Musfira Rizwani because she's sleepy, na. Let me make her awake.
Ma'am, Amara, I want to
You
say
are not
something.
allowed to be lazy in my class. Second thing, you are not allowed to turn off your camera. You know, na, these are my two basic rules. If you don't, if you can't do two, what happened?
Ma'am, I don't know three table na, so then I write.
Musfira, Musfira, listen to me. Did I ask you threes table? What did I ask you? Tell me which table I asked you. I asked you two table. Why will I ask you threes table when I have not done with you? You tell me that.
You will ask me five table.
Yes, but we will learn together. You have to know the format. You will not say two. I told you how we have done twos table. Tell me. Who will tell me?
Five table is so easy.
Okay, wait.
One by one. We did
Musfira,
one by
how we have
one.
done twos table. Tell me. Musfira Sayyed. Now I'm asking the question, so she's going. Yeah.
Time to say no सकता है, content भी
How we
change
have done twos table? Tell me. What? How we have done twos table? Tell me. How I have written. I have written on the whiteboard. Do you remember?
Yes.
How I have written? I want you to remember it.
I don't remember that, but I do remember them.
Can
I say Musfira Rizwani?
Gets the chance. Yeah, Amara. Yeah.
Ma'am, first you did two and two and that.
That was the
Then-
statement. Two ones. Okay, okay.
No.
Yeah, you are right. You're right. Two ones are two. Yes. Then
Then you write it two, then one,
One.
two ones are
two ones are two. What about then two? Twos are
twos
Yes.
are four,
two.
two threes are
Threes are
six,
6. Two,
two fours are 8,
8.
two fives are 10.
Okay, wait. Amara, wait. Musfira, continue for 2, 6 are.
Which Musfira?
Rizwani.
2 6 are 12, 2 7 are 14, 2
Eights are.
8
Say
are
it clearly, yeah.
16,
Okay.
2 9 are 18, 2 10 are 20.
2 tens are 20. Okay.
Yes. See the full table. Can I say the full table?
Okay. No, till 5, then Amir will continue. Okay. Musfira Sayyed, start.
2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4,
No,
2
be
threes
clear.
are
Be clear. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. Be clear. Okay.
2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 sevens are 4. Sorry, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8,
Equal to.
2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10.
Okay. Amir, continue.
2 fives are?
She was right.
2 fives I
We
told
cannot
now.
hear you, Amir. You are mute. You have
What is 2 fives are? You didn't tell.
No, she said.
I didn't hear.
He said 2 5s are 10. Amir, unmute. Yeah, that's better.
I think he said 2 fives are 5.
Ali, I'm
No,
giving.
how can we do 5s are 5?
Okay.
2 6 are 12.
Okay, 2 7s are. Be clear.
2 sevens are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 2 10s are 20.
Okay, now Ali, you will say.
Full.
Yes, full. You were disturbing Musfira Sayyed, na? Now you'll say full. Yeah.
2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 6 are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 8s are 2 8
Two eights are 16. Two nines are 18. Two tens are 20.
Very nice. Okay, Rayan, would you like to try,
ma'am,
Rayan?
Ali didn't say two twos are. Ma'am, Ali didn't say two.
Why, Ali? Why didn't you say?
No,
Rayan,
he didn't
okay,
say
wait,
two
let me
twos
ask
are.
Rayan.
He
He
said
know.
two twos are four.
Can you turn on your camera and can you say the twos table? Yeah, Rayan? Rayan? Okay, I guess he won't. Fine. Should we go to threes table?
Yes.
Okay. Any idea? How do we start with threes table?
Three ones are three.
3 ones are
And
equal
three
to
twos
3.
are six.
3 twos are equal to...
Three ones are three.
Yes, I'm making you complicated. I'm making you complicated. Okay.
Two ones are. Should I start?
I think Zainab is absent today.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Do we need book to write?
Yes, if you write it, that would be better.
Ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am.
Can I say three stable?
Wait.
Ma'am, I means I write the three table already in my book.
Oh, nice.
Can I show you?
Two, I also write it on a paper. I wrote it till 3. I was about to write till 4, but I had no time, so I slept.
I don't know 4 table, but I know 5 table.
Wow.
But 5 table is very easy.
Everybody knows that.
Tell me 5 table.
What?
Tell me 5 table.
I'm there, I'm there. Otherwise, you'll think, okay, we'll start on whiteboard. I was looking out for a square box, but I couldn't get it.
Ma'am, see. Where is the whiteboard?
Why? Look, you can't see. Yeah.
This is the whiteboard.
Only it's white and it's a board, so it will be whiteboard.
3 ones are
And that's 3.
3 ones are. The ma'am is writing. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6.
4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3
9.
6 are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are
3 8s are 24.
No, I'm not writing this. Wait.
3 10s are
Wait.
30. Ma'am, Amara,
Yeah.
do we have to write this one? What?
Yes.
Your copy
Your
the
copy.
page. Your copy page. Yes. Yes, you copy paste na, it tells an option copy paste.
Now tell me, how should I do this? Chalo.
3.
What? How?
1, 2,
How are we going to get 3 stable? First, tell me, how are we going to get 3
3
stable?
2s are 3 2s are 3 2s are 3 2s are 3 2s are
3 twos are equal to, keep adding 3. Musfira, wait, Musfira Rizwani, you didn't know, na? You have to keep adding 3. 6. Now now add 3 to 6. How much you'll get?
Ma'am, now I know it. Ma'am, now I know it. The 3 table.
3. Okay, I have to change this also. This is right. Fine now.
Four. 3. 3 ones are equal to 3. 4 are equal equal to 6. 3 3s are equal to 9. 3 4s have you right equal to 12. 3 2s are equal to 15. 3 6 are equal to 18. 3 7s are equal to 21. 3 8s
Okay, now can I write it?
3 6 are 18.
Okay.
3 6 are 18.
3 7 are 21. 3 8 are 24. 3 9 are 27. 3 10 are 30.
Okay, everybody understood? Look, how do you, this was in number form. Now, how do you write in symbolic form? How do you write in symbolic form? Anyone?
3
Amir.
Yeah, tell me, Amir.
3 1s are 3.
This is multiplication sign. Wait.
Ma'am, 3 multiplication 1 equals to 3.
Wait. Let me first. How much is done? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 3, 3, 6. 8 is done, na? 9 and 10. Now is it fine? Now let me put number. 1. 3 into 1 equals to, tell me what? 3 1s are 3.
3
3 2s are, come on.
6
Then
6.
3 into 3.
9
Yes.
9
3 into 4.
12
3 into 5.
3 5s are 15.
3 6 are 3 7s are
7s are 21. 3 8s are 24. 3 9s are 27. 3 10s are 30.
okay. So basically in words, what does it mean? 3 1s are equal to 3, 3 2s are equal to 6. I made it both these clear to you.
Ma'am, don't raise it, Amara.
No, I'm not
Don't
erasing.
raise it,
I'm
I'm
not
writing.
erasing. I'm not erasing.
I'm
Okay.
writing.
One more part I have taught you. If you remember, what is this? What is this known as? The numbers which comes in 3's table, what is it known as? This part. I have taught you one term. Nobody remembers? What is this called?
Multiplication.
No, some that word is related to multiplication. But what is it?
Repeated addition.
No, that is the meaning of multiplication is repeated addition. But I'm asking you, when I tell you these are the numbers which comes in 3's table. So what is this known as in general? Like for 2's table, I'll give you example. 2 1s are equal to 2. 2 2s are equals to 4. 2 3s are equal to 6. 2 4s are equals to 8. 2 5s are equal to 10. So I am just writing what? 2's what? What is it known as? Anyone? You have forgotten? No, not numbers. No. These are known as what?
Multiplication numbers.
No. These are known as, wait, I'll write it in text. Remember this word, what it is known as? What is it known as? Multiples. Oh.
Multiples of 3.
Okay.
Multiples of 3.
What is it known as? Multiples of 3. And what are these?
Multiples of 5.
What are these? Multiples of 2. And this is known as multiple of 3. Okay. Everyone learned? Musfira Rizwani, have you learned it? Come on, learn it. Everyone learn it.
My network was gone.
Okay. I wanted to show you I wanted to show you the song also.
I wrote 4 stable. I wrote 1 stable, 2 stable, 3 stable, 4 stable.
Oh, who wrote it?
Musfira Sayyed.
Oh, wow, great. Is it done? Nice,
Yes, ma'am.
nice.
1 stable is so easy.
1 stable is very easy. 1 multiplied with any number is that number only. Ali, what are you doing? Yeah, Ali.
Ma'am, what do we have to write?
What? Kids are writing this.
3 stable.
Yes, yes.
Practice.
Oh, I wrote 3 stable, but
Done?
ma'am, I wrote 3 stable already.
Is it done, Amara and Musfira Rizwani?
Ma'am, Musfira Sayyed, I already wrote 3 stable, so I don't need to write.
No, ma'am. Done. I did it already first.
Okay,
I did
Amara,
it
how about
already.
you,
No,
Amara?
I did it first.
Ma'am,
because
I'm not
I
done
already started writing. But yeah, and again,
I did the 3 stable.
yeah, I did it at 4. I wanted to do more this is what we call tables, so that's why I wrote it till 4. And when ma'am shared the screen, then only I started.
Oh, very nice, Musfira. Musfira Sayyed. Done? I
Ma'am,
cannot sit idle. Chalo, we'll see
ma'am,
videos and
are
then
we
we'll
going
do
to
four.
write,
What?
ma'am, the 3 stable, are we going to write 4s?
Yes.
But I already wrote 4s. I wrote 4s, look, over here. 4 stable I already wrote.
Okay.
So I'll just directly skip on the 5 table. Should I write 5 stable now, ma'am?
But Musfira, remember that when I'll take your orals na. Sorry, Alhamdulillah. Yeah. When I'll take your orals, I will not ask you what is 3 stable and tell me 4 stable. What I will ask you from in between. What is 3 6 what is 3 7
This is 18.
Yes, you have to be prepared in such a way. I will not ask you just say 3 stable. For example, if I'll ask Amir, what is 2 8
No,
So that is from in
I want to
between.
do the 4 stable.
Okay. Amara, do one thing, take a screenshot of this. And then you can write it
Okay,
after.
ma'am.
Okay, take a screenshot. That would be better.
You're gonna play that song like 3 6 and hear everything. I'll write the 5 stable now.
Musfira Rizwani, what are you doing? You want to see video?
What?
What are you doing?
Nothing.
Ali is roaming. Ali is roaming. Okay, done? Done, Amara?
Ma'am, can we do the 4 stable?
Yeah. What? 4? Yeah, I'm going on 4 stable only. I cannot erase just this, right? It's gone all. It's all gone. Yeah. Tell me, how do I say 4 stable? Not symbolically, but in words. Tell me.
4 ones are equals to 4.
Oh, what? 4. Wait,
Yes.
let me copy paste. Just copy this. That will save our time.
Then, can I see the another one?
Yes, wait. Let me first complete this.
Four twos are 6.
Okay.
Four
4 ones are equal to 4. Now tell me, 4
Four.
twos are equal to what?
Four,
Keep adding 4.
four
Keep
twos
adding
are
4.
equals to 6.
What? How 6? Musfira Rizwani, how 6? Tell me.
I counted it is coming 6.
No, it's not 6. How did you get 6? Tell me. How did you get 6?
First I take 2 numbers, then I add 4 more.
So add 4 on add 4 in 4. How much you will get? Add 4 to 4. How much you will get? You already have 4, and you in first table you have to keep adding 4. So add 4 to 4. What would be the sum?
Means I didn't understand.
Okay, you didn't understand. Look, what do we do in first table, Musfira? This is first beta. I'll just. You need to add 4 to this number. Na? This is the first. First multiple of 4. Add 4 to this. What you will get? Add 4 to the 4.
8.
Yes, so 4 twos are equal to 8. Now add 4 to 8. How much you will get?
4.
Ma'am, can I say?
4, 8, na?
No, you are adding 8, 4 to 8.
Is not.
Yeah.
4 trees are
We are now how many?
No, Musfira, you didn't understand. Yeah, Musfira Rizwani. You need to keep adding 4 as you go ahead. Now you got 8. Now add 4 to this.
Can
What
I
you'll get?
tell?
What you'll get? Tell me, Musfira Rizwani, tell me what you'll get.
I
This is
can
4.
tell.
8, 9, 10. Sorry, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How much did you get?
12.
Yes. Wait, now I have to change this
I
again.
want to tell. Can I tell 4 Forza?
Arey, wait, Ali. Now I have to change this again. Okay, this is fine. Now, yeah, Ali, you can say 4 twos are equal to 8. What is Musfira Rizwani? 4 threes are equal to what?
4 threes are 12.
Yes. Then add 4 to 12 now.
4 to 12.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
You need to keep
4
adding
to
4.
12.
Add now, look.
Okay.
13. This is 4. Start 12 is that 13. 14.
14, 15, 16, 17.
Yes. No,
No,
only
sorry.
4 you have to. Only 4 you have to
again.
add.
13, 14,
England is
15.
south of Scotland, Wales, and North.
What is the answer?
16. But ma'am,
Yeah.
if we want to, if 4, then 5, then 6, then 7, then 8 now.
Yeah.
Like this we want to come now.
Yes, yes. 8 1, which you got at the 4th finger. That number will become. That will be the multiple of 4. Okay.
Russia.
Musfira, are you understanding?
I put
Let's
the
do for this.
thumbs up first.
Now,
Yes,
Ma'am, I
now I
put the
understand.
thumbs
Yes,
up
yes.
yeah. Now add 4 to 16. Start. How will you add?
4 to
Yeah.
16,
Yeah.
17, 18, 19, 20.
So what is your answer? What is your answer?
20.
Very
20.
What about others? What about others? Amara, are you understanding? Okay.
20. Now, 4, 6,
Now tell me. Amara will tell me what is 4, 6 are equal to. Tell me.
Ma'am, I know. Ma'am, I know.
Yeah.
Ma'am, can you say Muspira Rizwani?
Sorry. Leo.
So let Amara say. 4, 6 are equal to.
4, 6 are equal to 24.
Very good. You, Musfira Rizwani, you got the same answer? Yeah, Musfira
Yes,
Rizwani?
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Ma'am, I know. Antarctica.
7,
4 7s are equal to. Now tell me.
27,
4 7s are
25, 26, 27,
28. 28.
28, ma'am.
Tell me what is 4 8s are equal to. Musfira. Ali, 4 8s are equal to how much?
31, 32. Ma'am, 32, 4, 8 are 32.
Yes, very nice. Now let Ali answer this. Now let Ali answer this.
Okay, ma'am.
Ali, tell me. Okay. Ali, you are muted, but still I understood through your lip sync. What do you mean? Okay. Everybody understood this, and you write it in symbolically form. I am not going to do that. It's very easy. Just Musfira Sayyed, are you here? Okay.
Yes,
Just do this fast. So should I start with 5 table? Now listen. Listen to me.
I write the 4th table.
Okay, very nice. Listen. Now everyone listen to me. When you are back from the vacation, I want my each and every kid to know tables from 1 to 5. One table is very easy. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. I'll ask you in between. Musfira Rizwani, Amara, you have to learn it thoroughly. You have to learn this thoroughly. Okay. I'll ask you anything. What is 4 8s are equal to? Okay, 4 8s are equal to what? You have to answer me that. 4 9s are equal to what? Then you have to answer me. Are you understanding? I'll keep a quiz. That Mentimeter we have used yesterday. I'll keep a quiz like
Ma'am,
that.
can we do planning?
What? Someone is saying something?
No,
Okay.
that is a background.
Yeah, I think that's the background. Okay, should I change this now? Should I change this now?
Ma'am, I cannot hear you because of background one.
Amir, can you just switch? Can you just mute yourself? Amara, can you mute yourself? Now that's better. Ali, you also. Chalo, write it fast. Then we'll go to 5's table and then we'll end our class.
Ma'am, I wrote 1 table, 2
Ma'am,
table,
can I tell
4
the
table, and 5
table?
table.
Yeah, I'm on
Then
5's
I tell
table
the
only.
5 table. It's so
Amara,
easy.
have you done Amara?
Table 2.
You could do
I
it by
want
yourself
every-
also, na? Amara, you could do it by yourself also, na? Now it's very easy. If you have copied 2 3 lines, you could do the other lines. Am I right? Amir, even you are writing Amir. Amir, but you could do it, right? Try it out. Listen. Amir, Amara, listen to me. Listen. At least listen to me. You try it out. In case if you're not getting it, how to write it, then you ask me. I'll explain you again in the class. Okay? Okay. Now let me go on to 5's one.
Can I tell the 5 one?
Yes. Now, Musfira Rizwani, you need to keep adding 5. Okay? Yeah, Musfira Rizwani, understood?
Ma'am, I'm writing on my 5. 5 to the 10. 5. 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are
Okay, tell me.
35, 13 or 15,
What? 15.
5 3s are
15. Keep. Wait, Muspira, if you're not understanding, go along with me. Don't do it. You have to understand. 5 2s are equal to, keep, now add 5 to 5. How much you will get?
No, ma'am, I was counting
No, but you answer
5.
me.
I was counting 4.
Okay.
I want to count 5, but I was counting 4.
Okay.
5
5 3s are equal to how much? Tell me. 5 3s are equal to, I am not writing. Tell me what is the answer.
15.
5 4s are,
20.
keep adding 5 5. That's it.
Is that 30?
What? 5 6. Wait.
5 6 are 30 now.
Yes. 5 6 are 30. Yes.
7s are 35. And 5s are 40. 5 9s are 45. 5 what we call? Yeah. 5 10s are 50. Ma'am, I already wrote it all.
Very nice. Write symbolically also, Muspira Sayyad. Write it symbolically
Symbolically?
also. Yes, look like this.
But
By this I mean, okay. Have you understood? Like this.
I wrote it like that only.
No, beta, but you have to write it like this also. Okay.
Okay. All of the tables I have to write like that.
Yes.
Ma'am, but I want it now, please.
Okay. Is it fine?
Ma'am, wait.
Write it. Write it. Now I'm not doing anything with you. Stand till 5. It's enough. Then we can do it after vacation.
Ma'am, I'm doing my own. I'm not copying the
Very
white.
nice. Very nice.
Ma'am, can I tell 5 tables?
Who's that?
Ali.
What are you saying, beta?
Can I tell 5 tables?
Yeah, tell.
5 5 are 5, 5 2 are 10, 5 3 are 15, 5 4 are 20.
At least look at the camera.
5 6 are 30, 5 7 are 35, 5 8 are 40, 5 9 are 45, 5 10 are 50.
Okay.
Ma'am, Muspira Rizwani done.
Very nice. Amir and Amara. What about you both?
Ma'am, see. Ma'am, see.
Okay,
Wait, I
Musfira.
just have to write one more. Wait.
Done?
Now, Musfira is only see my all
I have
table.
seen, I've seen. Perfect. Okay, done?
Now I want to do 6 table.
Next
Can I
session,
do on
beta.
Saturday, Sunday?
You can
On
write
Saturday,
it, you can write it, but you have to learn 2s, 3s, 4s table by heart. By heart, okay? Amir done?
Yes.
Okay,
Four
Amara
table
done?
I need to learn by heart because 4 and 3 table I need to learn by
Okay,
heart.
done na Amara?
Because I know 1 and 2 and 4, 5. 1, 2, and 5 I know by heart orally. But
I don't know. Ma'am, I'm writing 5 now.
Okay. Amara, take a screenshot, beta. Take a screenshot.
Amara, you can do like 5 ones are 5, okay? Then you want to count this 5, then 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So like that you can do it.
Even if you got one statement, if you're having one sentence, you can do others. It's all connected.
Or you can call me and then I can put screenshot. I can take photos.
Okay, others who have done can leave, okay? The class is over. Happy vacation. Enjoy yourself. See you on 5th of January in New Year. Okay, who has done can leave the class. Bye. Bye-bye. Take
Bye
care.
bye.
Yeah, who have done can leave. Yes. Bye-bye. They can leave the meeting. Nobody wants to leave. Wow.
and can I leave?
Yeah, Musfira, you can leave. That's what I told you. No? You can leave. Whoever has done it can leave.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye. Okay, you can leave. Amir, if you have done, you can leave, beta. Yeah. Musfira Sayyed, even you can leave.
Yes, I'm drawing something.
Okay. Okay, nobody wants to leave. Yeah?
Mama, I'm leaving and I'm leaving late.
Okay. Amara, have you done?
Just 1
Yes.
minute.
Okay.
Only 10 I have to write.
Yeah. Okay. Chalo. Then I'll leave. Fine. I have another class. Chalo. Bye, everyone. Take care of yourself.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.